Get on a trade with Lord Hates, future contracts daily, crypto coins so crazy, CFDs amaze me, spin the charts, yeah baby, riding trends, no maybe, buy and sell so wavy, profits feeling hazy, trade with Lord Hates, money moves like a Mercedes, crypto kings and CFD ladies, in the green, we're never lazy. Candlestick confetti, charts are set and ready, volumes heavy steady, profit goals so heady, Ethereum and Bitcoin, Hades makes the right coin, signal never disappoints, stacking gains like a joint. Trade with Lord Hates, money moves like a Mercedes, crypto kings and CFD ladies, in the green, we're never lazy. Get on a trade with Lord Hates, future contracts daily, crypto coins so crazy, CFDs amaze me, spin the charts, yeah baby, riding trends, no maybe, buy and sell so wavy, profits feeling hazy, trade with Lord Hates, money moves like a Mercedes, crypto kings and CFD ladies, in the green, we're never lazy. Candlestick confetti, charts are set and ready, volumes heavy steady, profit goals so heady.
Well, I drove my old truck to the county fair. All my buddies were laughing, but I didn't care. Had a pocket full of dreams and a head full of schemes. Gonna make some money.
What's up? What's up? Long time no see. Can you hear me, GB?
Bought a piglet on sale, thought it
Is
made
the
me
music
rich,
high,
but that hog
low,
turned out to be a
or in the
feisty
middle?
witch. Fed her corn and apples, but she just got mean. Guess my plan ain't working like a Wall Street dream. Bought a piglet on sale, thought it'd make me rich, but that hog turned out to be a feisty witch. Fed her corn and apples, but she just got mean. Guess my plan ain't working like a Wall Street dream. Buy low, sell high, that's a trader's creed. But when you're in the country, it's a
Barely.
different breed. I
The
bought a
music
cow
is
for
barely,
20,
or the
sold
sound is
it down.
barely.
Still trying to figure out this buying, selling right.
Let me see. Now? I have to move my.
Got myself a rooster, thought it sang me go. Raised my morning stocks in the bitter cold, but all it did was crow at 3 a.m. Neighbors called the sheriff.
So, am I like. My voice is barely listened, or the.
Corner hay bales for a winter's game, but
Or them
with the summer rain.
music.
Stored them in my barn, they rotted to the core.
Perfect.
Now sweeping up my dreams off the floor. Buy low, sell high, that's a trader's creed. But when you're in the country, it's a different breed. I bought a cow for 20, sold her for
This was my long today on gold, man.
this buying, selling right.
You see? I write this from last night. I have an eye on this guy, but let's see if we're ever gonna calm down. Perfect. So, you want to see gold or you want to see NQ? Let's see NQ first. So, NQ is very interesting, man. Missed by a couple of dollars. The long. So NQ is very interesting. I'm looking these lows here, these highs. So on the daily, my friend, we came on this 50% of the range. Oops. So we should see what we're gonna do like here. If we start disrespecting this and we trade more inside this, like if we start to gravitate lower, I think these are next. Ah, you went short. Ah, I actually closed from the high. Like, they're high. So when we started breaking the 5-minute structure, basically, I got out. But this can go higher, man. This can come here. That's one thing I wanted to see, but basically this is what I look for. Either will reject from here or from here. So this is basically the premium range. You are speaking about Nasdaq. Yeah, she looks heavy, man. Yesterday we got here in London. We get short from here. This is my short in the morning, and Topsy also. I was looking to take profit here, but on New York we had these. So basically we were like, this was my first take profit here. Like I put stop to entry, and then New York open, whoop, and now it melts. And this is something we said on Sunday we wanna expect from Nasdaq, and I'm looking basically to take these lows here. This is liquidity here. So if we're gonna crash down and start taking this range like this, I think Nasdaq is gonna pull a very dirty move down. Like, I want to take this short from here, and maybe this happens with I don't know, maybe with Nvidia earnings tomorrow. Maybe this bad, but I'm looking. I don't know. I said that in the last video that probably Black Friday might be really black for real, and it might be just not the case, you know. Like, that's your trend here. This is liquidity basically. So when we start taking lows here, this is nothing. But these things here are just gonna do. So this is gonna come like this basically. When it takes these lows, it will reverse here, take this, reverse here. Maybe I should clip this one to have it, you know. To say that we call this on the stream. Yeah, I mean, it's a giant Ponzi scheme. I don't know. It's just something I'm open to. See, we didn't actually break above. We are hesitating. And look at this. So we are making divergences with other indices. This is where I plan to get a short for on Dow, but this just goes without me. You know, 50%, so I mean, Dow looks really nice short. Maybe I have to FOMO in and then say that I've done I use my indicator. We'll see. This is the area I'm looking to see if the short gonna get valid. Like if we break down, I will look to take a short from here, and it's fine if I miss all this. You're closing to the end of the family. Tory trend lines. Well, I mean, if you make money, if you want, use whatever you like, man. I'm not gonna tell you. Use what you can see. This is how I trade. Like on Monday, I was waiting the retracement, you know. I was waiting like this. Boop. There is nothing wrong with trend lines. This is a trend line here. When I see this, do you know what I'm thinking? Okay, what I can long here and take profit here. This is liquidity. What's wrong with the EMAs? EMA is gonna tell you trend. 200 is gonna be like this, 21 will be like this. It's just short term and high, like long term trend. And why do you think I'm bearish on indices? I'm just looking this. We taken previous week high, failed to displace, but I keep my eyes here, you know. This inversion. If we close below this inversion, I will start to look like for a failure. Okay. Well, that guy is good. I think today is gonna be bloody. Seriously. Let me put an alert here. think today's gonna get bloody here on the open. Basically, it will come on this area to cover these imbalances here. And then Q looks heavy too, man. And it's not even in the 50%. So see, it's the same thing. This is the Trump pump. Trump pump. It's giving everything back. If you remember last week, we had this. It was like this sweeps, and I was looking to take a short from here. Actually, I did. But it was a Trump pump, and at the end of the day, it's unavoidable. I think it's gonna damn hard. I mean, seriously, why the indices has to go higher? I want someone to type why. Can someone tell me why we should go higher? So what I think for today, I think we're gonna get one deep leg now in the open on 9:30. We get the reversal maybe until here, but I personally think we're gonna be ranging here, if not breaking down. And the reason why Nvidia tomorrow gonna post the news also, I wouldn't be correct if I was not looking the news. So it's already gone, the news here. Building permits in G20. What do we have tomorrow? Nothing, only crude oil. So basically 21st. Thursday and Friday. So we will have a lot of momentum those 2 days. So what's the plan? We're gonna arrange here. Like, this is what I'm thinking is gonna happen. If Nvidia news is good, we're gonna probably go higher. This is a daily inversion fair value gap, so we can probably inverse from here and go higher if we are still bullish. But we can actually break on top, go to the premium part of this range with the news, and then we get the expansion tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, like this. So it depends where the range will break. And I think that will be, ooh, Dow. Man, should have held my shot from last night here. I cannot show the execution. I was short last night from there until the low. So I was long gold. I showed earlier on the that was my today's trade. Yesterday's I was from here until here, and then I re-entered since New York didn't do anything. But today I want to see, maybe we're gonna get a pullback because that's a daily fair value gap there. This is gold, man. You have to go like few minutes earlier. Yes. I finished indices what I explained like a minute or two ago. This is gold. It starts with G. It can be corn or cattle. But yeah. So what I'm looking, if we're gonna pull back, I want to see some kind of consolidation above here. I mean, we already test this area, but this is one major resistance for me for gold. I mean, it can go for the all-time highs again, but I didn't want to hold my long into resistance in the open. So I'm waiting the open to occur on the. So we're gonna stream with Titans and mentorship. No, I closed. FTM. No, I am still. I'm a bit. I took some profit when everything was dumping, so. Okay, it's down. It's down quite a bit. If it doesn't move, it's like, I can show you what it does. So it's practically back to my entry. Yes, it looks like it's ranging. It looks I'm stuck here. I'm still waiting, senor. For me to close this is basically we come here. So if we start grinding lower, I will look to exit. I mean, I took profit, not here. The second time we came here, I took some profit. But yeah, it would have been nice if it was actually moving like Doge. Well, we will see. But generally, I'm looking to have, except from gold, basically. Except from gold, I'm looking to have a very range market. Like we already took the low here. Maybe in 30 minutes we're gonna grind a bit higher, and then maybe I can get a shot from here, and I will keep it. So for Nasdaq, I'm thinking that it will just gonna range here. Or if it breaks, and then every news it will be just fuel on the fire. So if it breaks down, all the news like Nvidia and whatever, it will just be more fire. More gasolina.
There's a honky tonk off Main Street with lights a flickering bright.
And let's see Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna stream with the guys in the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, there is the WOOP link below. There is a free Discord. I do call outs also on X. If you don't follow me, you can follow me if you want. Man, why am? Can you believe I was short from here and I took profit? Look at this. It's melting. Somebody knows something about Nvidia and selling. Because now on the Dow, Nvidia is part of it. Someone knows something. I mean, you can see your head and shoulders here, yeah? Yeah, this is my entry, waiting for it. If they're gonna happen. Oh boy. I was planning to post for Bitcoin, but I really wanted to come here because it will be, well, if you are a support and resistance guy, retest, then you have this gap here. I think it's on the daily also, yes. And we make all these lows here. Look at this. So what I'm looking is a false push up. Maybe we hit 95, maybe even 100k. And come something like here. And do whatever you want afterwards. M and Q crossing. Let's remove this shit from here. Had a win and a loss here today, so I can show you so you don't think I'm hiding stuff. Short and a break even here. If I knew that I would have ride all this trend, I would have stayed on the short. Man is melting. Are you still in the short or are you closed? I'm interested in this price. If we close above here, we might go along. Because I think it will be ranging today, like yesterday. And then Wednesday we're gonna get the breakout, false breakout with the news. And Thursday, Friday we're gonna damn hard. Yeah. So for me, I will long this thing here. Although this is heavy, it looks heavy. It took the strip, yes. I will, yes. I will long this one. How much is the risk? Ooh, that's a bit much. Let's see in main queue. I can spare $70. So this is my early entry still is, you can fail. Safest entry is to get after you break the high here. And by the way, guys, this is not a financial advice, yeah? This is entertainment only. Just to tell you that. It is kind of dumb still. It's quite risky, but I can deal with $70 loss. The corn today hit 200, so. We traded corns today. I wanted to see how fast it moves. But I will post on Discord how this move went. Hey, John. No, this is not a signal. This is a risky trade. I said that from the beginning. This is probably a stop loss, but I'm here for emotional support to my friend GB on the trade. This is super risky trade because we have so much downward pressure, but all this is just liquidity. Okay, so if this inverse this fair value gap, I'm just thinking that it can reverse, but this is not the time, it seems. So we're gonna see. And I said this is risky, this is not financial advice, and I can deal with the $70 loss. 70 years. 60, yeah, $70. I can deal with it. Yeah, not financial advice. It is not a financial advice. Man, Titans will kill me. It's gonna be funny. Yeah. I think John is here. Is Topsy also here? And Davey? You guys get in the call in Discord and I'm coming. I'm just picking some money. I mean some. If it doesn't go up, it's gonna go down. What is the safer entry, although it's higher, GB? Because it shows you a change in structure, but the inversions is my fatigue. I even made a song about it. You hear it? Okay, I will close the stream only if I got stopped out or if I hit TP. And we have a live trading session on Discord. We should have actually. Let me. Yeah, that's the song. Let's go, GB.
Craving profits in my chest. Their market got me in a twist. Trade slip like ghosts in the mist.
Good FG, man.
Algorithms playing dirty tricks. Candlesticks are
It's on the wood, man. There is a link below. You can check.
heavy doubt. Hold my breath, ride it out.
It's something like 400, but it's like 45 days. It's 45 days. You will have calls with me. It's 400, yes. And you're out already. You're fast, man. So it's 45 days. We'll see what you know. If you don't know, we're gonna teach you something. And we'll show you how to fish for yourself. Yeah, I feel comfortable putting my stop loss entry. Well, you can get the monthly. Monthly has 2 streams per week. So we have a live stream today. Actually, I should have been doing that there now. and I'm gonna share my teachings there also. I can show you on. So we have announcements and the call outs, how I make my TA and stuff. You can ask me anything here, executions, everything. $400 is one-time payment, man. One time. And €100, $100 is like what, $3 a day? Like your coffee costs much more. Do you like the blues? What do you mean low Bailey? Man yelling, working on my last nerve. Computer crashing just when I'm on the curb. Break time busted, my lunch is all mold. Day drags on, feeling so old. Step to the left and a shimmy to the right. Twist on out of all your midnight fright. Bull trap boogie till the break of dawn. Laughing at life, just bring it on. GB, can you buy more so it pumps higher? Can you put a few contracts so it goes higher with your demo, like your combine? So we push it higher. John is my first mentee. Or how it is in English. Like, why, man? See what is my take profit. Maybe I'm gonna go sleep now. Ah, that's what it means. Well, we're gonna have something in Black Friday, if that's what you want. So, keep an eye on the whoop. Whoop. Yeah, I don't know. I was low bailing means. Now I know, I guess. It's funny when you see fair value gap forms on other fair value gap. Come on, Nasdaq. There is a lot of food here. Take it. It's yours. Yeah, I think I have the same idea, John. Pump and dump blues. Let's go. I'm thinking that it might just come here to take the low and then push higher. No. Ooh. Well, I haven't decided the percentage, but it will be something. So I will ask you something, GB. Everything is like Nasdaq. I was with Vince in the morning when I called, and I showed him that all crypto is Nasdaq. Asian means Asia. What did I miss from the chat? GB, now you see why I love the inversions. Supreme Buddhist. This is the danger zone. Well, I think he flips many accounts, man. He trades, but he blows many actually. Because one day he posts like he makes all this money with one account, and then those accounts, if you check the numbers sometimes, are different. But if I was going with the mini, this is 1,700. But I don't go with the mini because, like, I don't want to risk 700. Yeah, if they shoot here during the open, this is when it will happen. What it will do now, this guy, it's gonna range here and then it will wick here to go higher. And I'm just thinking, should I just play the odds of that happening and risk getting stopped out at 100? Take profit now? John, write something? Let's go. Yeah, I know, but if I don't leave the trade to play out, how I'm gonna trust my T next time? GB, instead of entering and exiting all the time, enter with 2 contracts, okay? Take profit where you thought you were gonna take profit, and then leave the contract to the highest target you were planning to take profit. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is 500 and I only took 2 trades. I took the core and this one. But this is a new account. This is about them on this discount of Elite Trader Funding. Diamond Hand. This is my swing account. What is 250? I'm missing something on that.
Stock market slip and slide. Brokers got wide-eyed. Charts looking like Picasso. Gambled on my cash flow. Trend lines twisted, tangled. Fortunes getting mangled. Bull turned into bear. Now I'm pulling out my
Let me start a call also here so people don't get mad with me.
She's a fraud, earnings just a facade, candlesticks deceive, hoping to reprieve, whiskey by my side, margin calls I can't hide, dollar bills like shrapnel, profit wars unravel.
Oh, AJ. I hope I didn't wake you up.
Tip from my barber, portfolio no armor, Wall Streets are colliding, truth and graphs I'm finding.
Okay, so everyone is in a meeting, stuff. Well, I'm live trading in Discord also.
Chaotic chart mess, putting suits in distress, laughing at
Wow, did they launch a missile to Russia? No, EJ is my man. So let's see, 9:30 is gonna shoot higher. Let's put it here in case it's gonna sweep this range. I don't want to get swept out and go to my take profit. Let's go. They hit something, man, they're stupid. They want to make it as hard as possible for Trump, I guess.
Instrument sold, but it ain't a derelict. String strung tight like a snake's next kick. Whiskey breath cutting through the dirty air. Grinning like devils, but
John,
don't care. We saw walls swinging
can you clip? Oh, if we hit the take profit, can you clip and I will post it on the on YouTube Shorts.
sweating sawdust, a simple retreat. Tunes so grabby they stick to
Yeah, I don't know, man.
axes snapping in rhythm, sharp and clean. Whipsaw waltz, you know what I mean. Guitar
This is weird shit, man. All this time they do nothing, and then suddenly they became, I don't know, they care much.
faster than a liar on trial. Wild how the crowd, we got that style. Steel strings hum like an electric ghost. Every note a jab like a left-right boast. Dance floor shaking like a live wire's bite. Rhyming in the dark gonna play all night.
And Dogecoin is pumping. Let's go, Nasdaq. Actually, I noticed that. I said we can. When it goes back, we can maybe make a clip. No. We can make a clip of the trade for YouTube Shorts. So in 1 minute we will see a big candle. It's funny that if you check now on YouTube, there is huge trend like BTC and stuff to go higher. Like all this time, everyone was all this time like no one was talking, and then suddenly everyone BTC, BTC. So let's get this strip here for expansion. FOMO. Do you like my playlist, GB? Trapping a dead compound, dead compounds. Those London highs, man, are so beautiful there. That's why I have my take profit there. It's blues country. This is a 6-hour trade if it hits. In case it reverses, I want to take my money. Stop loss shuffle. Let's go. It's so funny, and no. See, what is it? It's okay. It's allowed. It's allowed to do whatever the fuck it wants. But my stop loss should be counting for this year. Pump it. Okay, I will do a trick. If you put Elon Musk with the SpaceX, it goes back higher. And goes higher. When you put the magnet, I try to find the magnet now. Yes, emojis. So if you put the magnet, okay, it can help.
rivals whisper in jest, head pounding, failing text. Crack mirror eyes deceive, truth slipping up my sleeve. Grim shadows chain to me, despair drowning that sea. Trading you little for gold, empty promises.
Yeah, it's a magnet, see?
Desperate memories cold,
I can increase the intensity now. Are you going short? You wanted to go to 0?
I fucking gold. I'm just a lame hero for gold. Now's the handle.
Are you aiming for the... we're gonna close it now. Let's see how this candle gonna close, and then if we close below, I'm just gonna close it manually. Ah. The highs on the top are so beautiful. I don't know. Trading you little Nasdaq on the 0930 fair value gap. That was actually the inversion. You remember the trade setup I gave you for Bitcoin? This would have been the entry. Come here. Let's. How was this? So what was that? Super Saiyan. We had a liquidity grab here. Whoop. Yeah, I know you don't remember. It was the first trade setup I showed you. I made a song for it to understand how good it is. This song that it plays now is because of that setup.
Crunching numbers on my screen, profits lean, losses mean. Sweat and tears on my face, chasing dreams.
See, you put the magnet on the bottom. I have to increase the intensity. But seriously, like, this is 4-hour trade. I mean, I can close it, but I'm trying to see how much I can get. You have to increase the intensity also.
Pants too tight, my shirt's got a tear. Life's a bull trap, it ain't even fair. I won't start and the gas tank's dry. Woke up this morning with
Alive, feel the beat. Every step moving fleet. Dreams are glowing so bright. Futures here in the light. Rise above, break the chains. Feel the joy, no more pains. Heart is open, clear sky. Spread your wings, you can fly. Hey, these futures, here we go. Stream of
It's gonna come back. Has to get money first.
dreams. Watch them
This is how it gets paid, man.
to the stars. We all glow.
This is payday.
To the stars, we all glow. Chase the vision, life's a game. Light the fire, fuel the flame. Sound is pulsing
After it takes the liquidity on the top with my take profit, I can do whatever you want. It's all yours, GB. I give here to you. As soon as he takes my take profit, it's all yours. Okay. Let me take. Patience pays, man. Well, you didn't hold. Yes? You did? Did you hold? Let's go. Blow through the roof. Yeah, no, you told me. You longed here and I tell you, my fatigue is the inversions. So, I buy what I love. Oh boy. Today for the Nasdaq price. Okay, look at this. Sweeping these highs. Can come here. Yes. Let me hide my stop loss. Like my stop loss basically is the 50%. And I'm the 50%. Let's collide. Yes. That's how I trade, man. I put magnets and the price goes there. See? You see, have you noticed that the candle flicked? I'm telling you, man, they work. I will stack them all here now. Look at it. I have to align the field. After we take this, your one will be a strong. See? It starts to pull it back. But this last candle should be big, man. Actually, in 5 minutes. It will crash. You will crash it, man. I mean, your RSI is still bullish there. Alright, it's a 5-hour, I can take it. You are winning, huh? I will put more power. I'm gonna give it air to play here, but that's my hard stop. Inverse backslide. You have to DM Cotton now and say, see, look, they don't give you credit. It's not gonna hold, man, I told you. 50%, see? But let's see, it's gonna do more. If it holds there, it's amazing. 3, 2, 1, perfect. I'm 50%, see? You put more magnets, huh? I know what you're doing. Well, we want to see it now closing above this. Yeah. What happened with those magnets? They're pulling the price away from GB. See, he's adding more, so he pulls my price down. We are still working. Oh no. I have to finish some stuff too, but you know what? I don't want you to come again here. Now it's 9:50. Yeah, I got stopped out. So that's a 4-hour trade, man, almost. So we were at 5. But I told you, if it's gonna fail this 50%, yep. I'm done for the day too. 500. Ready dressed. It's gonna come and take everything from here, man. Anyway, guys, if you like the stream, or if you didn't like the stream, like the stream. If you like to see more of these, subscribe. I mean, I'm telling you, it's gonna go higher, man. But yeah. Follow me next. If you want to trade with me live, check the Whoop link or the free Discord from the Whoop link. And I will see you soon, I guess. John, GP. See you in Discord. Bye bye. And thank you for watching. Yeah. No, man, I tell you it will go higher. I told you it was gonna go higher. This is the 950 continuation.